Alright, peoples, I'm up here test riding 2018 Tuono Aprilia, that is, up here at Team Charlotte Motorsports. Had some people ask me about inexpensive naked bikes. It's on sale at Team Charlotte for $12,900. That's $12,900, I think $99. Oh, race ECU, the packing in the exhaust, they have upgraded it where the valves stay open. Upgraded real sharp from the previous owner, TTX. That's about $1,000 right there. All this front suspension. Previous owner took care of it, I know that much. So I'm gonna attempt to ride it. Ducati over there. I hope it ain't gonna fall over in the soft cement. One thing I do know, these seats are soft. Quick shift up and down. Oh, now I gotta get used to this because I'm used to being bent over. Before that, it was the Gold Wing. Yeah, quick shift working. So I'm gonna do a little ride review. This thing is light. It's pretty light. Rev mass about 13,500 RPMs. I thought I would feel a lot of wind with this, but I don't. It started to feel good. Downshifting, downshifting. Oh, with it first. And you can tell, oh, just my mirrors. I don't know these people behind me. I don't trust them. Don't let them fool you. I'm sitting up. Sorry for me the camera view. Yeah, listen to the pipe. And it only has 10,000 miles on it. On a V4 platform that you can get well into the 50,000 miles. This is really light. Shout out to Swerve. I told you I was gonna do it. Anyway, it's for you, bud. If you were looking for something to keep up two-wheel twosies, I got jokes. If I didn't just buy the V4, I bought this. Or, yeah, I know one thing, it ain't gonna burn my ass up. It's a good ride on the highway. I'm gonna try to hit some curvy roads. Yeah, I got a hold on this stuff. The one thing, that TTX shot feel good under my booty. Aprilia has been developing the V4 engine for a long time. A very long time. I hear that pipe though, good gracious. Doobie doobie doo. I hope my mic set up right. I made sure the camera was working right. Anyway. Oh, that's right. Here. Do a little ride. Way too much traffic on the right side. Trying to find me a little pocket to get off. Just with a quick shift come in handy. There we go. Barely feel the engine. You would think it's like, is it a V4? Yes, it is. That damn exhaust, my God. Jesus was good to her. So I like I've been working, so I decided to go ahead and start doing reviews. Sponsored by Team Charlotte, of course, even because they let me ride the bikes. Been on them since I first started riding 09. It's hot. The way the exhaust configuration on the V4s for the Aprilia a little bit, well, a lot different from the Ducatis. They don't get hot at all, no matter what. You don't need the rear bank cylinders turned off and anything. Now the reason why I say this is because I have owned one, and I've ridden that thing to Key West and to Atlanta and back to Charlotte in 3 days, over 2,000 miles in 3 days, 0 issues. Now I was out of shape like hell, which I still am now, but hey, it was a good ride. Because right now, any questions or comments, you can call Team Charlotte, speak to T Caldwell, or you know, comment down below. 10,524 miles, traction control, ABS, everything on it. It's got a race ECU on it too, and it'll tell you when it needs maintenance. So I think the next maintenance service, I don't know when it is. They long. V4 platform for the Aprilia are long. It ain't like you got to do stuff every 2,000, 3,000 miles, and it will keep up with average bikes. They oughta. So yeah, I guess I go to park to walk around, but I just did walk around before I left. So let's keep riding, shall we? Third gear, 40 miles per hour, no chugga chugga. That's the thing about this flat platforms of the Aprilias. They don't have a chug chug. The throttle is not jerky at all. That's why I kept my Aprilia so long. Like and subscribe, please. And if you want to see any more videos or any particular bikes they have up there, you let me know and I can make a phone call and see what they have. 99% of the time, if the bike is not serviced, I won't ride it, because the bike is new sales, unless they're just trying to put some miles on the thing, get it ready for the owner, like my 1100 factory video did. Look at it, third, first. This thing is really light. I mean, really light. And they've been with the factory, not the factory, but the V4 platform for 10 years, might be more. It's one of them. It's one of them bikes that like got solid engines at all times. T-Tech shock is lovely. I need to tighten that mirror up. I'm making sure they do it. I'm used to looking behind me because I took the mirrors off of the Ducati and I put them back on. So we'll get used to it. I'm still looking anyway because these jokers are here. They ain't playing. They don't look. They don't see. But this thing got ABS, traction control, slide control, wheelie control. It's all right in the menu. You can change the settings on it with this dial on the hill. See, now I'm in traction control 5. See it blinking? Go up to 4. I'm gonna put it where it was. I go up to 4. So if you're riding and get wet, or you have some rocks under you, the bike will cut power off to the engine, and you'll be fine. It's also got turn ABS on it too. For 12,900. Hey, you got a bike you're trying to trade for 5 or 6, 7,000, whatever they give you, whatever you sell it for. It is an upgrade. I say that. Now, granted, I'm not making any money when I do these. I'm just doing stuff because I got a history with dealership, and it's free, and I get to ride bikes. You know, it's not a Patreon account or nothing like that. It's a good ass bike though. Good God. Hope everybody staying healthy and stuff on this Friday. I'm looking in the rearview mirror, make sure nobody hit me. Watch the quick shifter. See that? In traffic is a good bike. You can actually commute on this thing, and it's real light. I thought when I sat on the seat was high, but the seat is not high. It's just cushy. I'll hit some curves with this thing. Yeah, I know where to go. Yeah, chilling at 55 miles per hour. And it's got a bigger tank than the V4 Ducati I have. The auto Aprillas do. Comfy. I never knew a naked bike. This is the first time I rode a naked bike besides my buddy's Suzuki B King. I didn't like that because didn't like all that wind. I was riding the Gold Wing at the time, but this is nice. I like it. And the price, you can't beat it. And they service them at Team Charlotte. I think the retail, not the retail, but the used market price around 15 right about now. Good God almighty. This is, man, I'll take this joker to the track. Left turn, Clyde. Third, second, first. See? The only thing you got to worry about this is it's used. All the gears have been meshed in, so you won't have no false neutrals and messed up. Well, Aprilia, I never had Aprilia do that to me. So false neutral stuff like that, and they don't get hot. It's like 90 some degrees. It's gonna be 90 degrees. It's probably about 80 something now. Throttle test. That's the thing I like about Aprilia. You ain't got no throttle spaces in there. The torque, low down torque will push you through, like say if you're going through a parking lot and you just want to sit there and chill, not hit the gas because you're behind people or in the crowd, or you like riding with other people. You know, some people might be slow, killing the throttle, and I ain't doing nothing. It's just stable as hell. I'm going here in the shade. This is really like, it is really like pulling the clutch and get some nice shade right here. Put it right here. Doot, doot, doot. I know my Ducati kickstand is different from this one, so yep, see, neutral first time. Yep. And also get your external temperature reader. So wheels, look at them wheels, baby. Got an oil guard on it. The oilers, I had to upgrade the front suspension, the front ones too. It's a TTX shock, like I was saying. It's ready to go. I mean, if you're looking for a bike that's comfortable cruising, you ride it from, I'm in Charlotte, so ride the joke up to the Dragon, come back. As long as you got some sense so you don't run off the road. It's got every safety feature ever imaginable. I like them wheels are fire. I turned it on. I had to ask him about the sound of it because you got to put a certain RPM, but the secondary valve is already open thanks to the race ECU. I did that to my bike, but I spent $800 on the pipe, rocker voltage pipe, which if I'd known that, I wouldn't have done. But good ass bike. Okay, enough talk. The Arnold Schwarzenegger said, enough talk. They got a back. Oh, I think it comes. I don't know if this one is because it's used, but they do have a back seat that comes. You pull this off, put it up here, and the back seat folds over, so it's enough padding up here for somebody else. That's why these are here. If I got the camera angle right. But yeah, let's take it for another ride. Get some curves. With this thing, you need your full race suit though. I know how I am. See, ABS, wheel control. That's launch control. No, ALC, that's slide control. And all right here, toggle, trip meter, odometer. You don't trip. Here's it. Pit button. Oh, had to push it in. See that? You can do everything on the fly. Menu, configuration, shift light. The shift light is 11,000 RPM on this. You can adjust that if you want to. Now, let me put it back. Oh, go down to exit. I got to remember from my old one. So if I'm hitting 11,500, the shift light will come on. But, and this right here will come all the way. I'll show you. Well, it won't do it. But these will come up when you get the shift light, then they'll turn different colors all the way up. So let's get riding. It's in here all day. I'm on an Aprilia. Fuck this. That pipe sounds delicious. Thought I saw Sasquatch. Bump, 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 bump. Whew. I had push clutch here. Whew. It's getting hot. And I got my summer jacket on. It's crazy. Hold on. I got it. When I gotta do this right quick. Hold on, y'all. Sound test for the pipe. Yeah, they did. It's got a racist in you. Jesus, it was good to her. Should have came in the morning. Well, hell, they just opened up, so I think I'm gonna take off. I ain't got no purse. There we go. Visors down. This is madness. I believe I might be looking for a downshift, little brake, let them turn, keep going. Yeah, if I stop talking, I'm looking around for police officers. They sneaky. But again, hey, I'm gonna try to get lowest gear possible. Okay. Unlike the Ducati, you don't have to have the throttle on or off. Like I'm cruising right now, throttle steady. I should be able to downshift instead of throttle. Yep, did it. Truck coming, I'm letting him go. Cause me against the truck will win. Finish him. Curve road. Swear to God, this thing. Oh, the turn signals do cancel by themselves. Doobie doobie doo. Yeah, okay. Oh, that felt good. Always watch out because they might be coming out the driveway over there. But anyway, I know one thing: the rear of this bike does keep that TTX shock is worth the money. So I'm chilling right now. Horsies. It is. I'm gonna say it again. I know y'all are tired of hearing me saying it, but this bike is really, really light. Leaning on this road really not a good idea because you can't probably see them, but there's a whole lot of tar snakes down here, and they get hot. They will make your back tire move around. Or in this section, ain't none. I'm just at the V4 platform. You can change the inner braking on this, and you don't have to really hit the brakes when you're in the corner. Just downshift, or just close the throttle. See, slowing down by itself. Stop sign up here. I'm gonna take a right turn, hit the roundabouts. Take it on back. Right turn glide. 3, 2. Oh. Think about it, I was behind the damn Toyos. I'll just go ahead, dude. Get some decent. Well, test ride, test ride. Review's a review, no matter what. Because you won't be always an open road when you do it. I'm in first at 30. Pick it up. If you see it jerking, it's the road. It's not. Well, then probably the camera will stabilize. You can call up the Team Charlotte, speak to T. Caldwell. He's over the Aprilia. That 1100 fact up there, he's looking at me all funny. I keep saying I'm gonna keep a bike and then don't do it. I got the problems, so I admit that. I'm a man enough to admit that. But it's bike life. Any questions, comment, concern at the bottom. The oil changes on these are spur out a little bit. They like, I think about $4 grand, I believe. There might be more. I don't know. It might be more. Downshift. And he go stop. Messed up my mojo. Bastards. Hey, yo, taxi, you got a tip tag on. Let him get a little around. Make sure this ain't Nissan cop. See, hitting the highway. That's how I do in turns. I'm gonna leave it in a second. Oh, my fault. There we go. Whee! Okay, I'll do a U-turn. Now, the reason I ain't dragging my knee on this joker, that's the highway, because I ain't got my levers on. I'm smart. I like my knees. For one thing, you gotta hold on to this joker. It's tricky. Alright, the little bit of windshield up here does help with some air. I did not know that. I really didn't know. Right turn. This thing is really light. I mean, really light. So, on street fighters particularly, don't really do too many 300,000 miles per hour. And it's mainly for riding cars and canyons and stuff like that, which you can do. I'm at 6 kilos. What in the world? I think that's what happens when you ride a Goldwing too long. Third, second, first. That sound. Sound better than my Ducati. Boo. Oh, it's hot. Hot to turn green, so I'm good. And you notice how you just take off smooth. I'm gonna go straight up 16. Take it on back. Right about now, my buns are not on fire. Nah, fuck that. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to be boring. Whee! This is a nice bike. Smooth. Yeah, I'm kind of mad now because like I've been riding this hot outside and I don't feel no heat from the engine. got enough pickup if you need to, you're at 70 miles per hour and you need to pass somebody. Again, this is not my bike, it's a review. So I'm not doing no crazy stuff with it. That's one of the reasons why they let me keep testing ride their bikes. Well, not test ride, but reviewing them. Responsible. I mean, I got wind on my shoulders, my face shield is good, little on my chest. That's kind of good in this heat, because like my mesh jacket, I got a mesh jacket and it's leather also. Feel pretty good. I can commute on this. Damn, I'm doing 83. Slow my ass down. Yeah, check the mirrors, baby. Sneaky. On this I get caught. Brakes outstanding. Any and all recalls have been on already for I think it had a brake recall, but that's not Aprilia. I think it's Brembo's on it. Brembo's, I'm sorry, my mouth is dry and I'm country, so y'all start talking about my accent. Yeehaw. It's already been done, it told me. It's ready to go. Come and trade whatever you got in or buy it. If you got financing, well, they'll do it to you. I don't know if they'll do it. I ain't gonna say they will, but the price of this, the value of this, a bank can easily do it. The fit for world titles. Oh, the gloss on this thing is nice. It don't have a matte finish on it. It's out love. Now I love it. I know some people that I was talking to love it too. He going straight ahead. Nope, good. Turn left. Yo, about to hit the dude with the truck, but there's some curves up here, but they're doing construction. That ain't about their life. I wish they would have. That quick shift is smooth, just like I remember it. It's light as hell. Oh. If you got some sense about it, you can ride this to the curves and stuff. Chill, ride through the curves, take some pictures of the mountains. Do whatever you want, ride it back. It is comfortable. Would I ride this Key West? Yeah, I would. And I'll probably take longer than I should instead of taking a highway like I did my 1100, not 1100, I'm sorry, my RSV, not factory, but Aprilia. My mouth is dry, I apologize. Yeah, I rode the Key West. Engine is spot on, no issues whatsoever with it. But this is sitting up a lot, so I am comfortable. And it's got more cushion than the race bike does. Yeah, I would ride this. I'll probably try to go down to Georgia and cut through some Georgia. It'd be a 2-day trip just to get down there so I hit the curves to the highway. Now, if I say that says a lot for a motorcycle, and I'm not even on the gold wing. Mirrors, you can see real good on the mirrors. See, I see behind me. This one, I gotta tell them to tighten this up. At least they ain't like new cars, they break off. Oh, the pain. Fifth gear, 35 RPM, no issues whatsoever. I don't know why I'm in fifth gear. I don't feel zero heat from nothing. This is funny. He gonna pick me by that damn 1100 factor. I know he is evil, using the Jedi mind trick. One thing I'm a fan of is Aprilia. I specifically asked for a Tuono. Get out y'all way, y'all mess around. Cause I never rode one. That's one reason. I had somebody ask me about them. The person that asked me about them thought they were like 17,000. They're not that expensive, dude. Now you might look on the website. Well, You got to use bike, trade use bike for a better use bike. There's more power in what you want. Maintenance on these things is not that expensive too. Oil changing stuff is so far out, it's not even funny. We'll get back in third. Just the curves. Nice road, nice cement. Asphalt is my friend. I live near here, that's why I know this. Whee! The RPM range of this thing is excellent. I'm thinking I'm still in fourth. I'm in third. No chugs, nothing. They need to put about an inch more asphalt on this joke. You know, I hit them curves, they go fall. Back up to fourth. This is a fun bike. My goodness. I'm in third gear. But yeah, again, T. Caldwell, Team Charlotte Motorsports, Charlotte, North Carolina. The guy who was trading this in came from Georgia. Came up here, brought the bike up here, saw the 2020 Tuono factory, and traded this in. Usually Aprilia owners take care of their machines. And you can see he upgraded the TTX shop, put a $1,000 shop on the back. We really didn't have to, but I mean, hey, a good upgrade. Excellent, good, really good upgrade in Pennsylvania. I rode through that one time. Oh, I hate doing that. Couldn't drive. My face is hotter than the bike. My booty is cool. So like you're in traffic, easy, shifting. I like it a lot. Is it Womack approved? I ain't done a review in a while, but yes, this is approved. This is the first, no, not the first. I think the Kawasaki Winter Edition was a used bike. The R1 was a used bike, but I didn't film that because I didn't have a YouTube channel at the time. I don't have to put my feet down, it's stable. Well, at least if you buy it, you don't have to do nothing to the exhaust or flash the ECU. Already done. You might ask, you probably ask them if they want to put a warranty on it or whatever. I don't know if it comes with it. I don't know if it's on it. I don't know. The warranties on bikes, Aprilias are transferable. Dookie. Yeah, see, I was about to hit a right turn to get him, but I'm chilling. Although I don't want to. This bike is like, you ever seen when you look at the Avengers Smart Hulk, when Bruce Banner and Hulk was together? It's calm and stable when it wants to. It's smart with all the electronics on it. But if you want to hit that Joker throttle, it can be the Hulk. Can be if you want to. I ain't gonna tell you why I'm laughing. Anyway, my face hot. This why I gotta be careful when I test ride stuff. Trying to show you the ability of the bike. Anyway, time to go. Yeah, 2 police officers sitting up there. They didn't come out. Anyway. Oh, a lot of traffic. So what y'all gonna do? Sit right here for a minute. Okay, this is the conundrum. This might end soon, so I'm gonna get over. I had to sit right here in the 4th. I'll just sit right here and chill. I ain't no need to get left lane my turns up here. It's called responsibility. Hope I don't get no rock from this truck up here in my face. Well, I got a windshield, face shield on. I feel the small rocks hitting me now. Stay behind this pathfinder for a little bit. Oh, he gonna get over. I'm not getting behind you, bro. Come on. Pathfinder suck ass, damn it. Catch all kinds of hell back here. I need to get an Iron Man suit. Yeah. And he on the phone. You know I don't like people on the phone. Unless they got a headset on. Or having in what's the thing speaker mode. As per my previous video. No cost behind me, but I ain't got no problem taking a ticket. If I did, I did it. I will. I gotta cut my grass. Even though I cut it like Monday. Cut it like Monday. This joke will make you not want to cut your grass. You just go ahead and keep riding. If you get too hot, you just take the jacket off, wrap it around your waist. But then again, you ain't being safe. But I would ride this joker to Key West though. Good gracious. This is a nice bike. And it's 200, the engine is 210 degrees Fahrenheit. The V4 platforms engines can take heat. Just the way they are. They've been like that. You don't ask the V4 platform, ask why Marquez is killing everybody in MotoGP. Except for him trying to kill himself. I don't know how long this video is, if it's still on. Go home and drink me some aqua while I load the video. I think it's really nice. Check and see if I'm still rolling. 38 minutes, good gracious. I'm sorry y'all, but I'm not editing the video because no matter what I do and what I say, it's life. I try to keep it as real as possible. This shop is nice. Very nice. I'm sitting there bouncing up and down and you probably can't see it. And I'm not hot. I'm not hot. I don't feel no engine heat. This is, oh, I'm mad. Anyway. Probably cause it the flash ECU and the piping they did with the pipe, you don't have all that heat. Little puppy, I don't have, that ain't no puppy, that's a damn horse. You not big that damn dog either. Look at that thing. Around back. Uh-oh, is that a Victory? Like an 8-ball. Look at that thing. 106 engine. Oh my god. The skinny guy. I get looks every damn time. I always get caught when I'm doing test rides.
Hey, believe me.
So, this is it. Yeah, 44. Yeah. So this is it. Yeah, like, subscribe. Any more questions, comment, concern, just go ahead and shoot it down the message below. T. Caldwell at Team Charlotte Motorsports, and I'm about to drink a soda. Peace out, people. Whew.